And this is my app. My app is called the Gloomhaven Ledger. It is a digital character creation app for the board game Gloomhaven to help streamline the campaign setup process and get players into the game kind of as fast as possible. It's built on a Ruby on Rails API backend with a React Redux front end and Semantic UI for styling. Once a user signs up, they're able to create and manage their campaigns, their parties, their characters. When they create a campaign, they'll be able to form multiple adventuring parties within that campaign and add characters to each of those parties. From your profile, you can view all of your campaigns, your parties, and your characters. To view your campaigns, you can see the date that you started your campaign. You can see the role that you have in that campaign, whether you're the owner of the campaign or a player. You can also view all of your parties. So you can view a little bit of a snapshot of details about the campaign the party's in, the last scenario that they finished, and you can get a quick little snapshot of the characters that are within those parties. And then you can view all of your characters. It's another little snapshot here. You can see your character's level, your XP, your gold. And if you want to view more details about a character, you can visit a character's page. From a character page, you can see the notes on a character that you saved. You can see the backstory of that character class. You can track the perks that you unlock as you're playing through the campaign, and you can track your battle goal check marks that you earn as you're playing different scenarios throughout the game. So say you finished a scenario, you can come in here and you can say, well, I got another check mark, I got a little bit more experience, and I got some more gold. And you can update your character and track it throughout. If you want to view some more details about the party that character's in, you can click over to the party view, and you can see the different characters that are active in that campaign currently, and you can see the inactive characters that are not currently playing. If you want to see more details about the campaign that those parties and characters are in, you can view the campaign overview page that shows the different players within that campaign, the different parties that you've created in that campaign, and some of the characters that you've retired throughout the time you've been playing. One of the favorite things that I really enjoyed building was this breadcrumb menu, where you can kind of it follows you and dynamically generates the links throughout the site to bring you back to where you were. And once you are ready to start playing the game, you can jump back over to the main page where you can select the campaign that you want to play and the party you want to play, and you can look over the map, and you can choose scenarios, and you can mark different scenarios as unlocked and if you've completed them. And that's my app. Thanks so much, everybody.
Thank you so much, Matt. Given more time and in phase 6, what do you plan on adding to it, or what are the next stretch goals you have in mind?
I would really like to get like an item shop implemented with all of the items in the game. But I think there's something like 300 plus items, so it's not something that I focused on for the final project. But that would be a really cool aspect.